fuck? So big.
Yeah. Small.
Small?
Yeah.
Maybe somebody put, no?
No. While driving is going inside.
Yeah. Even the pressure is good, it will happen. Before you need to go to the shop, recapping, no? Remember? Now no need.
No need. Still here, but that will doing inside.
Yeah, inside.
Like outside only sticking.
Yes.
That is the small gum, no?
Ah,
Put it inside like
okay. Which one is better, that one or this one?
that one is better.
Really?
Yeah. But that will be expensive, more maybe 100 dirhams.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, they will remove the tire from
Yes,
the
correct.
rim and then will do
Yeah,
inside.
because I did it before here.
This one they will charge 40 to 45.
Ah, okay.
Depend the shop. Some shop they will give, charge 40.
Yeah.
Some shop 25,
Yes,
50.
yes,
Depending the area. Porsche area they will charge this same repair 60, 70.
Oh my god.
The normal shop they will normal 30, 35.
But every time we put air, this will be okay, no problem.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
No
No
problem.
issue.
It will not go out.
No. This one also the puncture solution,
Okay.
but a different type. That's all.
But still the best is the other one.
Better is that one.
Because they put inside, no?
Yeah.
Because in Philippines also, I don't know if we have like this. Maybe we have.
But in roadside we have only the same solution.
This one.
Yeah. We can finish in 5 minutes.
Okay.
But they will
Even this
remove the tire.
even this expensive car, they do this one.
This one.
No, even other car, expensive car, they do like this.
Yeah.
Like-
But the premium cars will not do it like this.
They will not do it.
Yeah. I will put the spare, then I will send it to our workshop.
As they will really put spare
Yeah.
tire.
Yeah. Remove the tire. It's doing inside. BMW.
Yes.
Benz.
They will not do like this,
Yeah. Customer will not allow it.
because expensive car. Is it possible you can check all my tire?
No.
What is the best? Because some other petrol company, petrol station, their the air is not good.
Yeah.
Error, not accurate.
Yeah, if you put the 35,
Yes.
that you put more pressure, 38.
Ah, really?
Yeah, then you put the 38, going inside the air is 35.
Really?
Yeah, what you thinking? You thinking is tire need 35.
Ah.
That you did it. You just put in the pressure 38.
Ah, okay.
That time isn't going 35.
So I'll put
But
38,
yeah, so some petrol station is machine is alignment not good.
Not good, huh?
We will put 35. This but is air filling 32, 33 line.
Ah,
Like this.
that's why.
Yeah.
So better
If
put
you plan
38,
to
it will
put
come 35.
put the machine pressure
38.
38. Set
Ah,
the pressure
okay.
38. It's going inside properly 35.
Okay.